Okay, assignment 5.8. This first section is really easy. You're going to be given a question like this where you've got an equivalent fraction. That's why you've got an equal sign, because they're equivalent, they're the same. But you're missing a number. Okay, we need to find out what that missing number is. So, real easy way to do this, let's just stack them. Just to make it easier to look at. I like to stack everything in math. Something happened to this 16 to transform it into 48. I know by looking at it, okay, it grew, so that's multiplication, it's not division. Okay? But we don't know what we multiplied the 16 by to get to 48. If you can't tell by looking at it, just use your calculator and go 48 divided by 16. That'll give you the number it was times by. It's times by 3. Whatever you do to one side, you got to do to the other. Okay? So that means that something times 3 equals 9. So I can just write it like this. So 3 times a number equals 9. Okay? Now I want to get that x, that unknown number, all by itself. And divide this side by 3. Remember, whatever I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other side. Okay? Otherwise it throws it off balance. It's not equal anymore. I divide one side by 3, I divide the other side by 3. These 3's cancel out, so I'm left with x all by itself, which is exactly what you want to do, is isolate x. And 9 divided by 3 is, of course, 3. So I know that x equals 3. Okay? That's your answer. So your equivalent fraction here, okay, 3 to 16 is equivalent to 9 to 48. And that's how you do that whole first section.